Most beginners think automated trading starts with bots, but it doesn't. Automation will only work if there's a solid strategy behind it, and that's where most traders get stuck. Not because automation is hard, but because finding a strategy that actually works feels overwhelming. You're hit with thousands of indicators, clashing opinions, and random settings from social media. Before long, the process feels more confusing than empowering. In this new series, we clear all that up. We'll walk you through how a complete beginner can go from zero automation using LuxAlgo AI as the foundation. No coding, no black box systems you don't fully understand. Just a transparent, structured, repeatable process anyone can follow. And for the first episode, we are focusing on the most important part of the entire process: finding the right strategy to automate. So with that said, let's get started. To follow along, you will need access to LuxAlgo Ultimate, which includes the AI platform and several supporting tools. To get access, head over to LuxAlgo.com and click on Get 30 Days Risk-Free. Yes, that's right. At the moment, you get access to all our best tools with a money-back guarantee. So this is perfect if you just want to give the tools a try. The best part is that this guarantee is for a full 30 days, enough time to fully test the systems. That's how confident we are that you'll love this product. Once you click that button, choose the ultimate plan, and once you're signed up, you're ready to move on. Once you are logged in and open the AI section, it is important to understand what you are actually looking at. LuxAlgo AI is a strategy discovery engine built from millions of back-tested combinations across multiple markets, timeframes, and trading concepts. Here, your role as a trader doesn't just have to be to invent new strategies from scratch, but also to evaluate, filter, and choose from strategies that already exist and already have data behind them. Every strategy you see inside the AI is fully defined. It has fixed rules, historical performance data, and clear execution logic. These strategies can be saved, replicated, alerted, or automated. In the center of the screen, you'll see a familiar interface, especially if you've used AI systems before, where you can type in your request. Just above it, you'll find a few suggested prompts to get you started. On the left-hand side, there's a collapsible sidebar. If it's not visible, just click this button here to expand it. Now, let's walk through the 4 panels currently available. The first is the new chat panel, which we're in right now. Next is the Saved Strategies panel. As you begin exploring the millions of strategies available, you'll be able to save the ones you like and easily revisit them here and see all their metrics and also how they have performed since saving them, since this panel is also updated as new trades are taken on those strategies. Moving on, we have the Alerts panel. This is where you'll manage all the alerts tied to your saved strategies. We'll spend a lot more time here in upcoming videos because it's also where you control your automated trading system settings. And finally, there's the Chats panel. This keeps a record of your conversations with the AI about different strategies, making it easy to refer back to insights or continue refining ideas. Let's go back to the new chat panel and search for a strategy. When you search for your first strategy, simplicity is critical. Although the AI supports stocks, ETFs, crypto, forex, commodities, and multiple timeframes, don't overwhelm yourself. As a beginner, you want to focus on one asset, one timeframe, and straightforward logic. Choose a market you're familiar with or a market you have an idea you want to test. This could be something like Euro-Dollar on the 1-hour timeframe, Bitcoin on the 1-hour timeframe, or a major stock on a lower intraday timeframe. Start by thinking about the specific metrics and trading style you want your strategy to follow. For example, let's say we're looking for a price action strategy that uses order blocks on the ES 5-minute timeframe. We'll also specify that it must have over 50 trades, a profit factor above 1.3, and a drawdown below 50%. Once we hit enter, the AI will search through millions of strategies to find ones that match our criteria. If it can't find an exact match, it will follow up with questions or suggestions to help refine the search. But 90% of the time, it nails it right away. And just like that, here's a matching strategy. We can see the equity curve showing how it's performed over time. Scrolling across, we can review the key metrics: over 50 trades, a drawdown under 50%, a profit factor well above 2.4, and yes, it uses order blocks. This is exactly what we asked for. It's also important you understand what all these metrics listed here actually mean and why they matter when evaluating a strategy. The net profit shows the total dollar amount the strategy would have made over the back-tested period. It gives you a quick sense of the strategy's raw performance. The trades is the total number of trades taken. The more trades typically means the more reliable the strategy. The win rate tells you how often the strategy wins. But remember, this is just one of several metrics. A high win rate alone doesn't always guarantee a strong strategy. The max drawdown measures the largest peak-to-trough loss during the strategy's performance. Lower is generally better. Anything under 30% is considered quite manageable. The profit factor metric tells you how much the strategy made for every dollar it lost. Anything above 1.3 is generally solid. Above 2? That's strong. Average trade is the average dollar amount made per trade. The average winning trade versus average losing trade shows the typical size of a win compared to a loss. This ratio matters. You want to make sure that not only is your win rate good, but your average win is larger than your average loss. You can have a strategy with a high win rate, but if the average loss is much higher than the average win, you could win 10 trades in a row and have one loss wipe out half your profits. That's really bad. Your wins must outpace your losses. And now that you understand, from here, we have several options. First, we can copy the AI ID, which lets you share the strategy with other LuxAlgo Ultimate users. Next, we can set alerts directly from this screen by clicking the alert icon. We can also replicate the strategy, which transfers it into TradingView, perfect for testing it on more data, different markets, or refining it with your own ideas. And finally, we can save it. We'll explore each of these options in more depth in future episodes. But for now, let's go ahead and save this strategy. It's now been moved to your saved panel, where you can easily track its performance and watch how it evolves over time. We hope this video gave you a solid foundation for understanding how to search, evaluate, and save high-performing strategies using the LuxAlgo Ultimate platform. Now that you know how to find strategies that match your style and metrics, it's time to take things a step further. In the next video, we're going to show you how to take any strategy you found and bring it into TradingView so you can test it on new markets, fresh data, and even push it to perform better than ever. If you thought this was helpful, trust me, you'll want to stick around, because this is where things start to get really powerful. We'll see you there.